if you're not putting in an immense amount of time, passion, and commitment into your highlight tape, and you're just slapping 25 VO videos with some donkey music, some tracks that drop over it, you're not going to get anywhere. Today, student athletes and parents are not taking the time to really put together a succinct video that's going to help them stand out. You need to look at it from this perspective. It's a career opportunity, right? So if you're going to go for a career opportunity, what are you going to do? You're going to send your resume into a really high-level job opportunity. What are they going to do? They're going to look at your resume. That's what your highlight tape is. It's your resume. Now, what is the coach going to look at? Does this resume get me going? Do I believe that this student athlete has what it takes to get to the next level and really be of value to our program? No? Out. Yes? Hey, what's going on? My name's Coach X and I'd love to bring you on campus. That is the difference. Goodbye, hello. Huge difference. So, after you have submitted your resume, right? What's the next step in that process? It's bringing you in for an interview. So, what coaches do is they go out to the fields and they make you pass that eye test because it's too hard to recruit off videos. So they then need to see you in action. You don't get there if that highlight tape, if that resume is not on point. So get rid of the 25 donkey clips with music drops on top of it and really put some time, some passion, and enthusiasm into that highlight.